Davis. I'm the Master and CEO of Robert Menzies College at Macquarie University. We provide student accommodation for students at Macquarie University in Sydney. We have about 300 students here at any one point in time from over 40 different countries. We've been working with Blue Sky since 2019, interrupted of course by many of the COVID disruptions. That's been a good experience for us and for them. Students coming here for short periods have opportunities to experience a taste of education within an Australian context, to develop their leadership skills and their public speaking skills, and also to see many of the sites that Sydney has to offer. I think it's been...
My name is Shuntao Kai. I'm 15 years old and I'm from Shudo High School in Hiroshima. Campus tour is the most memorable for me because Macquarie University is very big and very beautiful. I learned English communication skills in this camp. I believe it will help my career. This camp is very good, so I want to tell my experiences to my friends.